सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते। सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि रक्षति डुग्रिन्करणे। भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते। सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि रक्षति डुग्रिन्करणे। मूढजहीहि धनागमतृष्णा कुरु सद्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णा। यल्लभसे निजकर्मोपात्तं वित्तं तेन विनोदय चित्तं। नारीस्तनभरनाभिदेशं दृष्ट्वा मागामोहावेशम्। एतन्मांसवसादविकारं मनसि विचिन्तय वारं वारं। नलिनीदलगतजलमतितरलं तद्वज्जीवितमतिशयचपलं। विद्धि व्याध्यभिमानग्रस्तं लोकं शोकहतं च समस्तं। यावद्वित्तोपार्जनसक्तः तावन्निजपरिवारो रक्तः पश्चाजीवति जर्जरदेहे। वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे। यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे। गतवति वायो देहापाये भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये। बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तासक्तः। परमे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः। का ते कान्ता कस्ते पुत्रः संसारोऽयमतीव विचित्रः। कस्य त्वं कः कुत आयातः तत्त्वं चिन्तय तदिह भ्रातः। सत्सङ्गत्वे निस्सङ्गत्वं निस्सङ्गत्वे निर्मोहत्वं निर्मोहत्वे निश्चलतत्त्वं निश्चलतत्त्वे जीवन्मुक्तिः। वयसि गते कः कामविकारः शुष्के नीरे कः कासारः। क्षीणे वित्ते कः परिवारः ज्ञाते तत्त्वे कः संसारः। दिनयामिन्यो सायं प्रातः शिशिरवसन्तौ पुनरायातः। कालः क्रीडति गच्छत्यायुः तदपि न मुञ्चत्याशावायुः। का ते कान्ता धनगतचिन्ता वातुलकिं तव नास्ति नियन्ता। त्रिजगति सज्जनसङ्गतिरेका भवति भवार्णवतरणे नौका। जटिलो मुण्डीलुञ्छितकेशः काषायाम्बरबहुकृतवेषः। पश्यन्नपि च न पश्यति मूढ उदरनिमित्तं बहुकृतवेषः। अङ्गं गलितं पलितं मुण्डं दशनविहीनं जातं तुण्डं वृद्धो याति गृहीत्वा दण्डं तदपि न मुञ्चत्याशापिण्डम् ॐ Okay. I have sent you all two separate documents. One is a PDF one. This is the sequence of the shlokas which we will be taking. This is from my Atma Vidya class. So I have just copied and pasted only the shlokas and the anvaya of it and then sent it. So people who are making notes electronically can use the Word document. So in between the shlokas you can just write the meaning and your notes. But people who are writing in books, you can use the PDF. Whichever way is convenient to you, you all use it. Yeah. And as a request, don't forward it. It is not edited. It is again, I am giving you something which is given to us by our Acharya Swami Omkarananda in the Atma Vidya course. So first of all, I have not taken any permission to forward it, which is first of all an error. But I believe that just a text which is available in a public domain, put properly with the Anvaya, should not be a problem. So I'm sure my teacher will pardon me for that. Yeah. Secondly, as you know that we all believe very, very strongly there is no intellectual property right. So as much as more we can share this correct knowledge, correct knowledge, that much it would be beneficial to all. So I'm quite certain that with true conscience I am doing things which are not against the Dharma Shastras. Now, we have completed learning the first three shlokas. Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Nahi Rakshati Dugrinja Karane.
There is echo.
There is an echo. There is an echo. Let me see if I wear this, it is better. Wait. Actually, I can hear an echo from your end. Hello. Hello. How are you? Can you hear me? Okay. Is there an echo now? Is it better? Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So, in the first shloka, the Acharya says, "O my dear mind, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja, supreme among the fool, don't get lost. Muda Jahihi, Dhanagama Trishna, throughout your life, you are wasting this special blessing what you have got as a human birth. You are wasting just for earning and only earning. Kuru Sadbuddhim Manasi Vitrishna. Replace that Arthakama Pradhana Buddhi with Dharma Moksha Pradhana Buddhi. Kuru Sadbuddhim. Whatever you get by Nija Karma Upattam, by your own Swadharma, you should be satisfied. Don't crave for more than that. Don't compare. Finally, this Deha you have got to achieve a certain purpose. It's a vehicle. Don't focus on that too much and try to lure it either with satisfying desires or second is by artha, which is for security and pampering it. From there, he goes to a very innate and a very natural subject. Third one, which is it is a very natural thing to get attracted to the opposite sex, but don't completely get deluded and waste your life. Only again this in this kama pradhana with dehatma buddhi, for which you will start acquiring more artha, but rather than that, convert it to dharma pradhana and then see that artha kama is on the base of dharma. Okay, so very clearly in the first three shlokas, Acharya has just hit the nail on the very crucial areas and said that first, when you enter a house and if there is a dog, what they will put? Caution, beware of dogs. Same way, when you come to a human life, Acharya says caution, beware of arthakama, which are like these dogs who will try to take your attention away and you will forget why you have come to the house. So focus on why you have come to the house and keep away all these things. Focus on.
Still there is echo.
There is some problem in your connection, sir. I think you can reconnect. Yeah. So it is mainly related to dharma moksha. Dharma to start with, which will give you an ability to do karma and upasana. Moksha is jnana. So the objective of human life is do karma upasana, get prepared, get jnanam and be free. Don't forget this to be the main pursuit of human life and don't get deluded by rest of the things which is going to distract your mind in any case. That's its job. The mind will go, that is the nature of the mind. Then you will have to slowly get the remote control of your mind in your hand. And this doesn't happen overnight. This requires tremendous effort. It requires tremendous focus. It requires tremendous commitment, and it needs to be with a lot of reverence and value to the Shastras. Otherwise, you will never do it. Unless you believe that the Shastras are teaching you something which is going to genuinely take you away from this samsara, unless you see it as a moksha shastra, a real value, it will just be a feel good factor. It will just be an intellectual gimmick. It will just add one more feather on the cap, or maybe one more certificate that I have completed this also. But that is not the whole idea of the Shastras. The Shastras want to give the best and then ensure that you are out of the samsara, for which your effort is required. So as Acharyas very clearly say, there may be a good mirror, there may be a good light, but what is important is the person who is seeing the mirror should have a sight. If he doesn't have a sight, an eyesight, however good the mirror or the light is of no use. The light is the Shastras, the mirror is the teacher, Shastra Darpana, the light is the teacher, the Shastra is the Darpana. But we as a sadhaka need to have that basic vision that we should have effort to go and stand in front of the mirror and to understand what the Shastra is telling about ourselves, which requires a lot of effort, because right from childhood as well as our Purva Janma Vasanas, we are coming with a lot of bundle of avidya. We come with a lot of bundle of avidya. We never believe that we are that Brahman. We always believe that I am this Jiva and further we drop down telling that I am this Deha, not even the Jiva. That means my existence is there from date of birth to date of death. For Jiva at least, it is not from date of birth to date of death. It is from date of first birth till when you get moksha is Jiva. Okay, across pralaya, samsaras, you will go to potential form, again come back as Jiva. That will continue to happen. Okay, because your Karana Shariram is going to be alive. So don't forget that. So Jiva's biodata is different, Deha's biodata is different. So far as at least we believe that we are a Jiva, Dharma will come into our play, rescue and support. But if we believe that we are not even a Jiva, then Jnanam is the only thing which is going to support us. If we don't believe we are either the Jiva or that Nitya Mukta Shuddha Brahma Chaitanyam, then we will continue only with Dehatma Buddhi, and for Dehatma Buddhi, only Artha Kama is the one which is immediately visible, understandable, logical, experienceable, and that is how Sarvatraita Pihita Riti, again in Bhajagovindam it will come. ऐसा ही संसार चलते आ रहा है, हर घर घर में यही कहानी है. My father did this, my grandfather did this, my great grandfather did this, so I am also doing this. I don't know why they did it, I don't know why I am doing it. Okay, so that parampara of ajnana, parampara of avidya will just continue, and then we will be just doing it like a, so as to say, quote unquote, I will call it in loose terms, ritual. Okay, ritual actually means different, but we just do it. चलो भाई करो, खत्म कर दो भाई, ये भी खत्म हो गया, ये भी खत्म हो गया, ऐसा कर करके जिंदगी खत्म हो जाता है. Lives get over and we continue to be in the sorry go round. So Acharya says, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja, Mudamate. Don't fall into this honey trap. You know this honey trap? This honey trap is two things which are there. First one is Dhanagama Trishna, and the second one is the desire part. So Kama and Raga and Dvesha, don't fall into this honey trap. Get to know what is the main purpose of life, and then be focused, be very, very consistent, and do not deviate from that. Okay, now he goes to the next shloka, because with this a person will feel that no, I have enough wealth, I have a very good health, I have a wife, I have children, I have everything, I am a complete family. Okay, I have the ability to earn, okay, I have the means, I have the will, I have everything for me. Acharya says, yes, that will always, you will start feeling, wow, very nice, I am enjoying it, I am enjoying it. See what happens. So we will repeat the next one. The next one is Yavat Vittoparjan. The next one is
Nalini Dalagata.
Nalini
Dalag.
Yeah, okay. Nalini Dalagata Jalamati Taralam. Nalini Dalagata Jalamati Taralam. Tadvajivitam Atishaya Chapalam. Tadvajivitam Atishaya Chapalam. Vidhi Vyadhyabhimanagrastam. Vidhi Vyadhyabhimanagrastam. Lokam Shokahatam Cha Samastam. Lokam Shokahatam Cha Samastam. Nalini Dalagata Jalamati Taralam. Tadvajivitam Atishaya Chapalam. Vidhi Vyadhyabhimanagrastam. Lokam Shokahatam Cha Samastam. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudhamate. Samprapte Sannihite Kale. Nahi Rakshati Dugrinj Karane. Okay. Nalini Dala. Nalini means lotus. Nalini Dala. Dala means a petal. Okay. Nalini Dala, it is a very soft, if you see lotus or a rose, it is a very soft one, and it has got a coating. It has got a very nice coating. So when water falls on it, it will still remain as a proper drop. It doesn't spread out. Okay. So if you just take all this apple and all which comes with this wax coating, when once you try to wash it, how that drops of water is just sitting on it, right? So surface tension is very low. That means it will not now get stuck. So what does it mean? Even the slightest effort, slightest, हल्का सा, either a movement या हवा लग गया, कुछ भी हुआ, it can trickle down. It is sitting as though it is sitting, but not at all bound. Correct? Nalini Dala Gata Jalam Atitaralam. Very, very beautiful word it is. As this drop is sitting on the petal of this lotus, because of dew, you see drops sitting, a slight wind will trickle it and it will just fall off. Like that, Ho Mudamate Tadvajivitam. This life of ours, Tadvat, similar to that, Jivitam, this life, Atishaya Chapalam. It is so fragile. It is so fragile. It doesn't have any base where it is holding and clinging on to. Okay, that means just हल्का सा एक हवा का झोंका और पानी जैसा निकलता है, some reason is required and you are wiped out. This deha is gone off. The next deha comes, either cockroach or you come back to a what is it, a small insect. If you are a microbe, then it is few seconds or few minutes or few hours. Like that this jivanam will come and go, will come and go, will come and go. Like every day the dew drops come and fall onto the leaf, and from there it just trickles and goes. Like this, based on Brahman, the substratum, this jiva is sitting and just going off, sitting, going off, sitting, going off. Not only that, first of all, understand that you are not even, now from two perspectives you have to see. You have to see from space perspective and you have to see from time perspective. Okay, when you go from space perspective, why Acharya is telling this? Slowly you have to come out from this Dehatma Buddhi to Jivatma Buddhi. Correct? In the first stanzas, it was completely Dehatma Buddhi. And Dehatma Buddhi is not going to lead anywhere, which is very clear. It is going to just, you will just come, eat, enjoy, live merry, die. And this is going to continue Ananta Koti Janmana. Bija Bhutam, you will just continue like this. Okay? Now, only when you just go and take a helicopter view, you will understand what is happening. So when you see a droplet of water falling onto the flower, you are actually seeing a helicopter view of the droplet of water. But when you are the droplet of water, you see the whole world through the droplet, that I am always fixed and I am always stable and I am always enjoying that lotus flower and I am there in it and everything I am doing it. I am feeding the lotus flower with nourishment. Everything we start thinking, right? But when you come out and see it in a different way, so you have two views to it, the spatial view and the time view. Just have a look at it. This spatial view is, just imagine you becoming big, suddenly going to upwards. You've seen some of these WhatsApp videos which go take you from where you are right up to the space, and then say that you're not even a speck in that space. I mean, infinitesimally small, unimaginably small, smaller than whatever microbe or an atom which we can imagine. It is smaller than that when you look at it from that perspective, right? And in such a thing, this is all our imagination of where we can go, right? The Purusha Sukta says that wherever you can imagine, that is only 1/4 of Brahman. There is 3/4 of that much still left which you cannot even imagine. Padosya Vishwa Bhutani Tripadasya Divi. Padosya Vishwa Bhutani, your imaginary world, whichever you can imagine, wherever your mind can go, all these are Padosya Vishwa Bhutani. There is 3/4 more still available, which it is beyond your imagination. If you say, I imagine more than that, then we will say that more 3/4 is pending. How much ever you can imagine, even that gets added that much or multiplied that way, right? So when you look at it from that perspective, we understand that yes, this example given by the Acharya, Tadvat Jeevitam Atishaya Chapalam, is itself giving a lot of value to this Jeevanam, which doesn't actually have that, right? When you look at it from such a spatial perspective, this Janma, or what we call that, this lifespan what we have, is that itself is a very, very, very big thing, which Acharya is trying to say that Tadvat Jeevitam Atishaya Chapalam. गिनती में आती ही नहीं है. It doesn't have an existence by itself, you can say that, right? In among this all big things, this life doesn't have a value at all, a existence, एक meaning ही नहीं है. Now go from time perspective. When life started, start going back. किधर तक जाओगे? Correct? From the time perspective, where can you go? You have an idea where can you go? I can't hear you. Abhishek.
Single cell organism.
No way. No way. This is what our science has taught us. And again, we are still sitting on this material world. From a time perspective, you can go up to Brahmaji's life. How much is Brahmaji's life? Start working. Chatur Yugas. This is Kali Yuga, made up of 4,32,000 or 4,12,000, whatever number of years. Double of that, Treta Yuga. 3 times of it, Dwapara Yuga. And 4 times of it, Krita Yuga. Totally coming to 43 lakhs, some odd number of years, 200,000 years or something it comes. That is one day of Brahmaji. Correct? Like that 1 year of Brahmaji. Like that 100 years of Brahmaji. Okay, you do your calculation. From a time perspective, this is one kalpa. Like that, how many kalpas would have gone over? So all your single cell, double cell, everything is gone off. Why? We are going beyond Pralayam now. Before one Brahmaji, what was that? Pralayam. Before that, what was that? Earlier Srishti with earlier Brahmaji. Like that, you multiply Srishtis now. Are you able to see? When you look at it from that perspective, nothing. ऐसा कितना आके गया रहेगा और अपने को महारथी हम समझ रहे, right? So when the right perspective is done, and that is why in our sankalpas, very beautiful sankalpa is, it brings you it gives you a perspective of your own very clearly. Anadi avidya vasanaya, okay, pravartamane अस्मिन् महति संसार चक्रे विचित्राभिः कर्मगतिभिः विचित्रासु पशु पक्षी मृगादि योनिषु अनेकदा पुनः पुनः जनित्वा केनापि पुण्यकर्म विशेषेण इदानीन्तन मानुष्ये द्विजन्म विशेषतः प्राप्तवतः मम इह जन्मनि जन्माभ्यासात् जन्म प्रभृति एतत् क्षणपर्यन्तं बाल्ये वयसि कौमारे यौवने वार्धके च जाग्रत स्वप्न सुषुप्ति अवस्थासु मनोवाक्काय कर्मेन्द्रिय ज्ञानेन्द्रिय व्यापारैः कामक्रोध लोभ मोह मद मात्सर्यादिभिः संभावितानां. This is only in this janma, huh? This is full this janma till this moment. Etat kshana paryantam. I have done so many transactions, correct? And in that I have earned what? Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsaryadibihi. Okay, this is what I have actually earned. After how many janmas? Kenapi punya karma visheshena. I did so somewhere some punya karma. That is why God gave this manushya janma to me. I came into the Wimbledon. Correct? Idanintana manushye dvijanma vishesham. About that I am very, very lucky to at least know and understand this knowledge. I was not born in Somalia or some other place where I have no idea of such knowledge also exists. See, even to know that such a knowledge exists, you have to do punya karma. Correct? And on that you are sitting and listening to it is really some punya karma. You have earned it and you are spending it. Correct? We have all earned this by doing some karmas. We have earned punya and we are sitting it. We are sitting and able to get this knowledge. Isn't it our earlier punya karmas? We could have been sitting anywhere else, correct, as human beings. As human beings. Perfectly okay. Including, just imagine. See, our Swamiji and all says, here the lecture is going on. The next house, there will be someone who is sitting, who is least interested in this. Just one door that person has to go. There will be people coming from miles and miles away to listen to this, and that next door person will be always cursing. They have started making their sound now. Loudspeaker sound has started. चालू हो गया है. सब लोग मिलके कुछ बोलने वाले हैं. मुझे सोने भी नहीं देते. हाँ. Why? पुण्य कर्म विशेषेण is not there. What can you do? What can you do? It has not got fructified. No punya karma visheshena. Correct? So, idanintana manushye dvijanma visheshataha praptavataha. I have been able to get such a right kind of knowledge by which I am going to make this life more meaningful. And in that, I am wasting it by kama krodha, by transactions and earning only that. Now, when it comes to the time period, okay, now time period starts with where? Time period starts with Brahmanda Karandaka Madhye, no, that is space. Time period starts with Prabhavatina, no, before that. तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं दैवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपतेः अङ्घ्रिगं स्मरामि अपवित्रः पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थां गतो विवा यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सबाह्याभ्यन्तरशुचिः मानसं वाचिकं पापं कर्मणा समुपार्जितं श्रीरामस्मरणेनैव व्यपोति न संशयः श्रीराम राम राम तिथिर्विष्णुस्तथा वारा नक्षत्रं विष्णुरेव च योगश्च करणं चैव सर्वं विष्णुमयं जगते श्रीगोविन्द गोविन्द गोविन्द आद्य श्री भगवतः आद्य श्री भगवतः महापुरुषस्य विष्णोराज्ञया प्रवर्तमानस्य from Mahavishnu Brahmaji comes Adya Shri Bhagavataha Mahapurushasya Vishnorajñaya by his command Mahapurushasya Vishnorajñaya Pravartamane as Mahapurushasya Vishnorajñaya Pravartamane Adya Brahmanaha. This Brahmaji has got two parardhas, ardhas. Okay, that means when you say one life of Brahmaji is made up of into 1000 years of the day and 1000 for the night. So 2000 years together is one Brahmaji's life. Okay, out of that, this 1 year, 1 day is made up of this 365 days of ours. That full calculation I can just send it to you. It is a mind-boggling calculation, but out of that the estimate is now Brahmaji's second parardha is going on. That is 51st year of the current Brahmaji is going on. Our current Brahmaji's 51st birthday, 51st year chalu hai. Now don't ask when to cut the cake. You will have to take many janmas for his that 1 year to get over. Many janmas we will have to take because his that 1 year will be lakh years of ours. समझ में आ रहा है? तो उसका केक कटिंग सब नहीं होने वाला है, तब तक केक भी नहीं रहेगा. So प्रथम परा that the second द्वितीय परार्धे it is a 51st year, and in that 51st year saptame vaivaswata manvantare. So each of this is divided into 13 different manvantaras, and this is the 7th manvantara going on, which is called Vivaswan or Vaivaswata Manvantare. All this comes in Bhagavatam. In Bhagavatam this calculation comes, and we will love to see all that and bahut acha hai. But finally we say that all this is stupid. It is only to understand that we are infinitesimally meaningless creature in this world from time perspective. Okay, so Prathama Pararde, then each of this are made up of samvatsara. Samvatsara is a year, so you have got 60 samvatsaras. Okay, like that 2 into 60 is a life of a normal human being, 120 years. Okay, so whichever year you have been born, there is a name for that samvatsara. So there are 60 names for each of the year. See, earlier and all, like this 1945 I was born. No, it was not known like that. Because this calendar was not at all there. There was an almanac. Do you know what is the name of the current samvatsara?
Sharvari Nama Samvatsara.
Yeah, Sarvari Nama Samvatsara it is called, right? Like that, totally there are 60 names for 60 years. And after 60, what will happen? The first will again start. So a human being normally can live for 2 such circles. 2 cycles of 60. So 120 years is an average human being's life supposed to be there, right? So in that you will know, if I have been, now whoever is born in this particular year, they will say I was born in Sarvari. Now after 61 years when Sarvari comes, obviously with logic people will know that 60 years plus this 1 year, 61 years ho gaya uska. Okay, so that samvatsara, then that gets broken into 6 ritus. Okay, and 2 ayanas, Dakshinayana, Uttarayana. 6 ritus. What are the 6 ritus? Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemanta, Shishira. Each of the ritu is made up of 2 months. Chaitra, Vaishaka, Vasanta ritu. Okay, Like that you have got 12 months. So 12 months makes one samvatsara. One samvatsara has got 2 ayana. This one samvatsara has got 6 ritus. One ritu has got 2 masas. And each of the masa has got 2 pakshas. Krishna paksha and Shukla paksha. Okay. Each of the paksha has got a tithi. Prathama to Purnima or Prathama or Pratipada to Amavasya. Now see how nicely time is been very clearly. You can frame. So right now, if you have to say that we had this particular session of Bhajagovindam, the 4th session or 3rd session was there today at this time, you can very clearly tell Sharvari Nama Samvatsare, Dakshinayane, Grishma Rutau, Karkataka Mase, Shravana Mase. Okay, now Krishna Pakshe is going on, I think, or Shukla Paksha, I am not sure. Adya, whatever is the Tithi, I think today will be what? Panchami or Shashti, some Chaturthi. When was Chaturthi?
Panchami. Yesterday was Chaturthi.
So Panchamyam Shubhatitau Vasaraha. Today is called Sthira Vasara Yuktayam. So every day is also named properly. Sthira. Shani is called Sthira Vasara Yuktayam. Then there is a nakshatra also on that particular day, a constellation. So from a time perspective, you can clearly freeze a particular time very, very clearly in as per our system. Okay, so the time and even that every nakshatra is broken into 4 padas. So you can say that the 3rd charana means the 3rd pada after it starts. So time can be perfectly aligned as per our Dharma Shastras. And it was necessary because that is one of the angas of the Vedas. One of the angas is Jyotisha Shastras. Is one of the Vedangas, and it was required to perform all your karmas. The right time to do the karma so that it gets fructified properly. So they used to use the same thing for people's birth, death and everything. The same format was used. Okay. So from a space perspective and time perspective, it is very clear that we are absolutely insignificant. Correct? And that is what Acharya wants to say. Nalini dalagata jalamati taralam. Don't think that I have forgotten that and we have gone into time and space. No. Nalini dalagata jalamati taralam. वो पानी कब गिरा था, कब फिसल के गया, दूसरा पानी कब गिरा है, कभी समझ में आया क्या? Have we been able to any time even capture the moment when that drop came and that drop went off and some other drop came? Never. Tadvad jivitam atishaya chapalam. The time bomb has started the moment you are born. My first cry means I have removed the pin of the soch lo. And in that what? Added to it, just 1 second, let me start the powers. In that, it is not only just this is a time bomb. There was another WhatsApp, if you remember. The organization tells an employee mathematically that you have never worked. Okay. Simple. You take a year. How many weekends? 52. Into 2. Into 2 ना. वीकेंड में 2 दिन का छुट्टी मिलता है ना. कितना हुआ?
104.
104. ठीक है. 104 years gone. उसके बाद तुम्हारा कितना दिन का CL, PL, SL सब पकड़ो. हाँ. वो कितना आता है? वो 45 days पकड़े?
Yes.
45 days. तो कितना हुआ?
149, 150 days.
150 days. ठीक है. एक दिन में कितना सोते हो? 8 घंटा पकड़ के चले. 8 घंटा सोते, या द अदर वे राउंड, ऑफिस में गप्पा, वो चाय वाय नाश्ता, वो सब का कितना टाइम जाता है, ऐसा सब कैलकुलेट करके द एम्प्लॉयर टेल्स दैट एक्चुअली यू नो आई एम पेइंग यू फॉर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, उल्टा यू हैव टू पे मी, क्योंकि तुम इधर का चाय नाश्ता लेते हो. लाइक दैट Adishankara is actually telling it that way only. In all this, what you feel that you have got this birth, you know, it is filled with what? Vidhi, Vyadhi, Abhimana, Grastam. You know what is Grasta? This word Grasta? Grasser. You know what is Grasser? No. To get hold of. पकड़. हाँ, चुंगल में फंस जाना. चुंगल में फंस जाने को बोलते हैं ग्रस्त. ओके. विधि, डेस्टिनी. डेस्टिनी कुछ नहीं, नीचे गिरा, पाव हड्डी टूटा. विधि. व्याधि, आई गेट सो मेनी डिसीजेस. करेक्ट. उतना सब माइनस करो तो एक दिन में 8 घंटा सो रहे हो, माइनस करो. स्नानादि बाकी का सब, स्नान वान करो, खाना खाओ, वो सब का एक 3-4 घंटा निकाल दो. बरोबर है. व्हाट इज अवेलेबल उसमें, इफ यू कंसिडर हाउ मेनी डेज और ईयर्स आर गोइंग ओनली इन विधि, व्याधि एंड अभिमान, एंड बैलेंस क्या है? वी हैव अ वेरी नाइस हॉबी. बैलेंस ऑफ द टाइम में एक अच्छा हॉबी है. क्या है बोलो? लोकम शोक हतम च समस्तम. सुबह उठा तो कोरोना क्या हुआ, नहीं तो यार येस्टरडे प्लेन क्रैश में कितना लोग मर गया. करेक्ट. लोकम शोक हतम च समस्तम. सुशांत सिंह, शोक हतम च समस्तम. We love. All these things will pull us. Correct? What will happen? Think about this life. First of all, it is so fragile. Nalini dalagata jalamati taralam. Like that, कब मैं आता हूँ, कब मैं जाता हूँ, I don't know. Like any small insect, I just come and go unnoticed. Tadvajivitam atishaya chapalam. In that, I have a very big biodata now. What? Vidhi, Vyadhi, Abhimana, Grastam, Shoka Hatam cha Samastam. Then where is time for Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate. How much more nicely can an Acharya teach? Putting that perspective, see, putting that perspective in place is so nice. Correct? We know it, but then, see, once you see it in that completeness, that is the time we say, no, 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 I will not allow more this time bomb to eat me. Okay? Knowing this, he will further go ahead. Overall, देख लो भाई ये है. Now let us go into, वो बोलते हैं ना, headlines तो देख लिया. Now let us magnify this life now. इसका अंदर जितना भी हम बोल रहे हैं ना, ये सब करके वेस्ट किया, उसको अच्छा से मैग्नीफाई करके देखेंगे कितना सड़ा हुआ लाइफ है ये. व्याधि, ये व्याधि क्या है बोलते हैं? इट इज़ वेरी गुड, यू नो, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ब्लेसिंग विच भगवान हैज़ गिवन, यू नो, इज अ स्किन. Imagine if that skin is going to be a transparent layer. Just think. Everyone's skin is a transparent layer. And you can see inside every गंदगी. कचरा डब्बा जो बंद है ना, वो बहुत अच्छा है. उसको खुलने के बाद कैसा दिखेगा, अंदर कितना सड़ा हुआ. Just imagine the moment कोलेस्ट्रॉल ज़्यादा, I can see here, इधर सब कोलेस्ट्रॉल लटक रहा है, उधर लटक रहा है. हाँ, फिर उसके बाद just imagine and see how it will look. Do you want to even go in front of a mirror and see yourself? You'll say, nahi baba, nahi. Shut this. करेक्ट, इतना गंदगी है अंदर और कुछ नहीं है, और उसको रख के हम अभिमान ग्रस्तम, मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया, मैंने ऐसा किया, मैंने ऐसा किया, ये किया, वो किया, थिंक, करेक्ट। उसके बाद यही बॉडी को लेके मुझे ये तकलीफ हो रही है, मुझे वो हो रही है, मुझे ये दुख रहा है, मुझे वो दुख रहा है, उसने मुझे ऐसा बोल दिया, मैंने उसको ऐसा बोला तो भी उसने मुझे ऐसा बोल दिया। He doesn't even value me at all. शोक हतम च समस्तम, करेक्ट। भज गोविंदम, भज गोविंदम, गोविंदम भज, हे मूढ़मते, डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम ऑन दिस। संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नलिनी दलगत जलमति तरलम, संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले, पिन इज ऑलरेडी रिमूव्ड आउट, भज गोविंदम, भज गोविंदम, करेक्ट। Okay, clear? Is the fourth stanza very clear? What the Acharya wants to say. Then he goes to the fifth one. He says, you feel you're healthy, you have earned everything in this life. I have got name, fame, status, ability. Very good. I'm doing all my karmas. Very good. I'm doing my duties. I've got a very nice name in the society. People respect me. I'm a dharmic person. Very good. He says, you want to know your reality? I will tell you your reality now. Yavat vittoparjana saktah tavan nija parivaro raktah पश्चाजीवति जर्जर देहे वार्तां कोपि न पृच्छति गेहे। यावत्, till that time, यावत् उपार्जन सक्तः वित्तः, I have that ability to earn. As much as I have the ability to earn, means what? My health is good, my wealth is good, my ability to earn is good, my respect is good, my status is good. Everyone says very good, nice. Correct? Tavan nija parivaro raktaha. See, where has he gone now? Ahamesham se he has gone to mama ete. Do you understand? Slowly from ahamesham, in the first 4 shlokas, he was talking to aham, about me, correct? Now he has gone to mama. What is mama? My what? Every one of us are known by what? My family, my house, my children, my wife, my parents, my brothers, my sisters, my relation. Then comes my society, then comes my nation. Correct? So, yavat vittaha uparjana saktaha, till I have the ability to earn, till that तावन निज परिवारो रक्तः, रोज सुबह 1 गिलास दूध मिल जाएगा। समझ में आ रहा है ना? You will specially get 1 glass of milk for breakfast. Why? यावत वित्तोपार्जन सक्तः, भाई ये गाय दूध देती है, इसको चारा खिलाओ। These are realities of life, huh? Don't say in my house it doesn't happen, in everyone's house it happens. Okay. पश्चाजीवति, now comes part 2. इंटरवल के बाद पिक्चर का सेकंड पार्ट। पॉपकॉर्न खा के हो गया। पश्चाजीवति मीन्स व्हाट? पश्चात व्हाट? पश्चात ऑफ व्हाट? उपार्जन सक्त ऊपरी, once I am not able to earn further, paschajivati, and added to it what? Jarjara dehe. My health is not supporting me. Oldness has already grasped me. Correct? Paschajivati jarjara dehe. Then comes the reality. Vartam kopi na prichhati. कोई आके पूछेगा भी नहीं, हाउ आर यू? You know nicely what people will say? I don't want them to suffer at all, you know. What does that mean? Let me not suffer with you. That is the indirect meaning you want to hint. Good that they should go away without suffering means what? That is it's a reality meaning is that let them go and let them not make me suffer. If they are suffering, be sure you are not suffering. You are suffering only because you are made to suffer on their suffering. No. I am ready to do whatever I want, but they should not suffer. ये सब बोलने के लिए. Why should you bother about their suffering? It is their prarabdha, right? You keep doing what you want, right? Why should you pray? Why should one pray that person should not suffer and that person should go? It is their prarabdha. Then what can I do? I can only help as much as I can do. But when I'm not focusing on what I can help and I'm focusing on their prarabdha, what does it mean? Your prarabdha is now affecting my prarabdha. Indirectly you're telling that, please go, don't trouble me. Toughness है लाइफ में, ये सब सुनेगा तो it is, and this is a reality. Okay, so if you want, you go and help anyone. Go and help, because then you are doing it out of your own wish. You are not doing it out of a compulsion. Here you are doing it out of a compulsion. It may be anything. It may be for feeling good, not feeling guilty. What will other people tell? So many reasons could be there. Whatever the reasons may be there. But you are not doing it out of your will. That is why you are saying that I pray that he should go. She should go. Why? Paschajivati jarjara dehe vartam kopi na prichhati gehe. All are busy doing their work. So they will, others also, elders will say that no, they are busy doing their work. They have no time. It's okay. No time at all. है कि नहीं? And this is a reality. तो किसके लिए किया? So I wasted my 40 to 50 years of life for what? Putreshanaaya, Vitteshanaaya, Vyuthaya. Brihadaranyaka tells Putreshanaaya, that the word Ishana is a very beautiful word. In Tamil, Isha means to stick. Ishana in Sanskrit means sticking. Because of that, sticking to that putra, sticking to that relationship, sticking to the wealth, Vitteshanaya, I did everything, and today Vartam Kopina Prichhati Gehe. No time. All the elders, they like to tell, children are outside India. It is really tough to manage their own life. I'm okay here. I know they cannot come. Why? They are busy with Arthakama. Think. See, it is a harsh fact, but unless we acknowledge this, and here we are not talking for anyone to change. Here the whole idea is Mudhamate change. Don't have that expectation. What expectation? Pascha jivati jarjara dehe vartam kopi na prichhati gehe. You have to first accept no one will ask about you. Why? You're an insignificant, useless person. Correct? So far as I was of utility value, I'm utilized. Once my utility value reduces, what do? देखो घर पे स्कॉच ब्राइट खरीदते हैं ना सब लोग. पहला एकदम अच्छा रहता है. इट स्टार्ट्स रिमूविंग एवरीथिंग ऑल टफ, अच्छा से निकलता है. थोड़ा देर के बाद इट हैज़ बिकम, उसका दांत वात निकल गया, इट इज़ नो मोर एबल टू डू एवरीथिंग प्रॉपरली. तो धीरे धीरे इट विल बी मूव टू अ प्लेस, चलो टफ वाला नहीं इजी वाला साफ करने के लिए रखेंगे. थोड़ा देर के बाद उसका थोड़ा थोड़ा वो दैट द कॉयर ऑफ इट ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स फॉलिंग. स्लोली इट विल गेट स्लिप्ड इनटू द कचरा डब्बा. है कि नहीं भाई? अपना यूटिलिटी वैल्यू भी वैसा ही है, कुछ अलग नहीं है. कुछ अलग नहीं है. यावद वित्तोपार्जन सक्तः तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः पश्चाजीवति जर्जर देहे वार्ताम कोपि न. बात करने को भी किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है. वाई? हैव यू एनी टाइम गॉन टू एन ओल्ड पर्सन 80-85 वाला किसी के साथ बैठ के बात किया है क्या कभी? ऑल अंकल्स एंड ऑल डोंट फील बैड. ये रियलिटी है, रियलिटी है ये सब. दे विल स्टार्ट 1939 का स्टोरी शुरू होएगा. वेन एवर यू मीट एवरी डे इट विल स्टार्ट विथ 1939 स्टोरी. By the time they will come to 2020, it is 1 hour. Correct? First 2 days you will meet that old gentleman at the building. Third time he is very happy. That person is very happy. Why? घर का अंदर कोई सुनता नहीं, बाहर तो एक बकरा मिला. No, you are trying to slip away from that person. क्यों? अरे बाप रे ये पकड़ लेगा, ये अंकल चालू कर देगा, वापस 1939 का लव स्टोरी चालू हो जाएगा. राइट नाउ स्लोली आप सटकने को देखेंगे, वो दूर से भाग के आएगा बिकॉज ही हैज ऑल द टाइम. अरे कम हियर आई वांट टू टेल यू समथिंग. अगला टाइम से वेन एवर यू सी हिम देयर यू विल वेट इनसाइड द लिफ्ट. और दूसरा लिफ्ट से ऊपर जाने तो फिर मैं बाहर निकल के जाएगा बिकॉज देन आई विल स्पेंड ओनली 1 minute, otherwise I have to spend 1 hour. That is why Vartam kopi na prichhati gehe. They don't remember. They have told you. It's a reality. It's a reality. Okay. So this is how our nature is going to be there. So if I spent all my life only with others, talking to them and talking about this glory of useless life of mine, even when I grow old I will continue to do the same glory. But if I in my younger days do bhaja govindam, I will not किसी को बकरा नहीं बनाऊंगा. I will be sitting inside and I will be very happy. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I am of no use now, perfectly fine. If you can give me some food to eat, I am sitting there bhaja govindam. Makes sense? It is not to frighten anyone, but it is more to give you a clear clarity of what you need to do. This is the learning out of it. So right now itself, if you start and make that as a habit of Bhaja Govindam, you will never bother or anyone inquiring about me. Why? I am always with my Lord. When my Lord is there, why should I bother anyone is asking or not asking? It is not required. It is not required. Getting it? यावत् वित्तोपार्जन सक्तः तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः. हॉर्लिक्स कॉम्प्लान बूस्ट सब मिलेगा. पश्चाजीवति जर्जर देहे. They will say you don't have teeth so you can't eat this. You better drink this only now. क्योंकि ये सब आपको नहीं होएगा, हजम नहीं होएगा, इंडाइजेशन होएगा, हमको प्रॉब्लम है, तो you please don't eat anything. And that is the time you should not ask, you should say Bhaja Govindam and keep chanting Govindam, nothing else you have to do. Does it make sense? How it is a preparatory for old age? Because old age is inevitable and going to be there. Okay. Now he takes the story to the final climax, which is the next one. यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे, यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे, तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे, तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे. गतवति वायो देहापाये, गतवति वायो देहापाये, भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये, भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये. ओके. यावत् पवनः. Now till, see, so far as I have grown old, Moha Mudgara is not for sannyasis. Huh? Moha Mudgara for grihasthas. Correct? So, when I become old, I also have an old partner with me. So, if no one takes care, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक दूसरे का साथ देंगे. यावत् वित्तोपार्जन सक्तः तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः. पश्चाजीवति जर्जर देहे, भार्यां सेवा कृत्वा और पति सेवा कृत्वा. इट विल कंटिन्यू. उतना तो उतना एक दूसरे को साथ दे के चलेगा गाड़ी. कोई नहीं बोलने के लिए कोई तो है. नाउ कम टू द फाइनल. यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे, द इनएविटेबल. टिल दिस prana is there in the body, तावत् पृच्छति कुशलम गेहे. At least your better half would be inquiring, taking care. खाया क्या, बुखार है क्या, आज इधर दुखता है क्या, उधर दुखता है क्या. And with, if God's blessing is there, either आँख दिखना कम हो जाएगा, कान सुनना कम हो जाएगा, so कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Two people sitting and talking, both will not understand what is happening. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 2 घंटा बात करते रह सकते. करेक्ट? बोथ आर हैप्पी दैट वी आर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर विदाउट नोइंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे. गतवति, दैट क्षण, गतवति वायुः, that moment when that prana goes, deha apaye, outside this body. Correct? Gatavati vayo deha apaye, bharya bibhyati tasmin kaye. Bibhyati means gets frightened. Bibhyati tasmin kaye. Tasmin means your. So you have to imagine that Shankara is telling a male person now, equally applicable to a female person. Okay? Which means that so far as there is life in you, you will be taken care. At least by your wife, someone will take care, something will happen. Correct? But the moment that life also goes, your better half, who was adoring this body till this moment, doing seva, doing everything for this body, starts fearing the same body. Think, tell me, can this body do anything? It could have done when life was there. But without life, this body absolutely cannot do anything. But that moment itself, there is a fear starting. ये करो वो करो, उनको ये पसंद था, इनको ये पसंद नहीं था, उसका पूरा क्रियाकर्म करना चाहिए, कुछ उसका बाकी मत रखो, वो मत करो. क्यों? It is more of fear. With age, that also comes, because we will come. What comes with age? Vruddhastavat chintasaktaha. He will come later on. Okay, so there is a fear. Same body which was adored will be told, please dispose it fast. मुझे डर लग रहा है अभी. Internally, it will not be verbally told, but that is what. Why do we fear? Isn't there a fear when you go, when there is a death? Isn't there a fear unknowingly? I mean, have we taught anyone that you have to be fearful? Tell me. Has this been taught that you have to be fearful to anyone? Have our parents taught? No. But doesn't a fear come automatically? It's a very natural process. So very clearly that body which was adored is now being feared. By whom? The person who was adoring. The better half who was adoring this body, treating this body, taking care of this body, starts fearing the same body that moment when the prana goes off. And that body you are catching and sitting with this dehatma buddhi, telling that I and my. Buddhu bhaja govindam, bhaja govindam, govindam bhaja, mudhamate, samprapte sannihite kale, inevitable. यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे गतवति वायो देहापाये कालः क्रीडति गच्छत्यायुः. All these are inevitable. Then you can't sit and cry, I have missed out a golden opportunity. There is no option for it. So better start now, right now. Don't wait to see today, now what is a good day, Rahu Kala hai ki nahi. Start now itself. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja he Mudhamate, Bhaja Govindam. Isn't it beautiful? Very nicely taking us through this Jivana Yatra, starting from an overall, then talking time, space, saying that how small we are, and then glorifying this life, saying that which is a waste of human life. Only animals normally do not know what death is. Only humans know what death is. That is why they fear death. Animals never fear death. Our Purushartha makes us fear death. Do we understand? So, rather than fearing death, the moment you say that it is Vasamsi Jirnani Yatha Vihaya, one day I have to change this dress. Same way this Deha, the skin dress I am going to change, another skin dress is going to come. What is there to fear? I go to sleep every night. Every day morning I get up. This death is like a sleep, a longer sleep. So before I go off to sleep, as before the end of the day you say, Are, I have to tick mark, ye sab kaam khatam karna manta hai. Then only I'll go off to sleep. Same way before I die, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, वो टिक करते जाओ पहला, उसको सबसे last, and that is the beauty of it. You just check. Prarthana, meditation will get the least priority in our list. ये काम करके फिर मैं करता हूँ. Otherwise, my mind will be only in that. No, I can't sit right now for prarthana. Let me just finish. एक half an hour वो खत्म करके I will do this. And if there is any emergency coming, the prarthana is the first thing to jump out of the list. ठीक है, कल कर लेंगे. Correct? Think about it. It's a very, very, very natural thing. No one tells, but we do it. Correct? There's no, everything else is on this. If this is not there, nothing else has a meaning. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Nahi, 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 Nahi Rakshati. All whatever we are doing is Nahi Rakshati. Clear? So we started with Bhaja Govindam, Mudajahihi Dhanagama Trishna. Okay, be happy with what you have. Then third one is Nalini Nari Stanavara Nabhidesham. Fourth one is Nalini Dalagata Jalamati Taralam. Fifth one is Yavat Vittoparjana Saktaha. Sixth one is Yavat Pavano Nivasati Dehe. Clear? You want to take one more or enough for today? One more. ठीक है. What is the next one? यावत् पवनो निवसति तेहे तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे. Okay. गतवति वायो देहापाये भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये. Next one is बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः. बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः. बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः. तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः. तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः. वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तासक्तः. वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तासक्तः. परमे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः. परमे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः. Okay. Again, Acharya echoes the same thought as what I told right now. Thinking about this Parabrahma, thinking about this true self, no one has got any priority to it. When you say Saktaha, this word Asakti means what?
Attachment.
Bondage. Correct? Saktah karmanya vidvamsaha. Chikir, it comes in Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter. Saktaha, people who are with very much attached with their karma. Avidvamsaha, Krishna calls them foolish people. Saktaha karmani avidvamsaha. Because we are attached, the attachment makes us do lot of action. Okay. Or Acharya says, every rose day, wedding day, birthday, you have to go with a flower, with a rose and say, honey, you are only in my life. There is no one else in my life. You are the most dear to me. Why? Unless you express, the other person will not know. And that expression is coming because of what? Sakta. Because you are attached. Because you are attached. Where you know that if you don't express it, you stand to lose. You will go out of the way to express it. Where you know that you don't lose anything, even if you don't express it, you will not want to express it. Think. It's a reality, eh? Some of these are absolute reality and it's our own reflection. That is what we say, taken for granted. You don't need to express it, so taken for granted. But where you feel that you will lose by not expressing it, you will go out of the way to express it. So when you see that girl, till you get married, How much of expression? But the day you have got married, how much the expression? Now you know. अभी दूसरा किसी का नहीं हो सकता है. At least till divorce. So automatically that expression starts reducing. And this is a reality. Why? What is making you express? See, the point is, here it is not the expression. It is the fear of losing which is making expression to happen. And why is this fear of losing coming? Because you are bound to that thing. That is why you don't want to even think of losing it. समझ में आ रहा है? या बालस्तावत क्रीडा सक्तः. So with every child, the child is attached to what? Krida, games, playful, very much attached. So the child expresses that. The child cannot say, I love to play and simply keep quiet. No, the child will play, attached to the game. Whatever you say, complete pratyahara. Anything you say is complete pratyahara for the child. कान सुनेगा नहीं, दिमाग काम नहीं करेगा, आँख देखेगा नहीं, हाथ कुछ काम नहीं करेगा, पाँव नहीं काम करेगा, मुंह नहीं काम करेगा. Glued into what they are playing, either the video game or movie or something or the other, what they are saying, completely saktaha. You remove that object over, then it is pralaya in the house, not even world war. It is pralaya. Yes or no? See, all the smiles are telling that, and it is sarvatresha vigita riti. हर घर में यही है, कुछ नया नहीं है. So we are able to correlate that. Why? The more the attachment, the more clinging to it. The more clinging to it, the more you are not able to leave it. So completely in my childhood, I have been attached to the toys, the games, the pranks. I did not have even the knowledge, neither I had any time for it also. For what? Bhaja Govindam. Balastavat Krida Saktaha. I wasted all my childhood in playing. Okay, I grew up. Because this growing, that is the beauty of it. Huh? You may grow mentally, you may not grow mentally. But physical growth is inevitable. You will grow. No one can say that, no, I will. You may have a wish that I should always be a baby and sitting on my mummy's lap. That's a wish. But after 20 years also it will remain a wish. You will become full grown 20 years ka. Okay. So once growth is inevitable, whether you mentally grow or not, physically you will grow. The need changes automatically because I know attachment is expressed in terms of action. I continue to do the same thing. Object of attachment changes from Krida to Taruna or Taruni. So once I grow up into a adolescent or a boy or a girl who is grown up, then the opposite sex is something which I am attached to. So again, with attachment, activity is inevitable. Right? So all the activities will continue. So I am now stuck from Balaha to Taruna Avastha. My object of attachment changed, but attachment never changed. That bondage never changed, but the object of attachment changed. The earlier object gave me some contentment, satisfaction, happiness. Now that object is not giving me contentment, satisfaction, happiness because my need has changed. I replace that object with some other object because of my bondage and continue with this attachment. Correct? Is it making sense? And now because I have an attachment, and to express this attachment I have certain desires, I need means for the desires, so then I have a full setup called a family. If the family has to work, be there, then I need to work, earn for the family. That is what we are doing now, and we call it dharma. But the whole thing is coming out of what? Bondage. Correct? It is making me bound. It is making me disabled. It is making me a kripana, crippled. This bondage is making me a crippled person. In my childhood, with Krida, in Tarunaha, with Taruni, and because I have now become habitual bonded person. Correct? We all buy bonds now. These bonds comes to us freely. You don't have to pay. Correct? So Punya Karma, Papa Karma, you have paid already. That is why you have got these bonds already. ये bonds मिलते रहते एंड डिविडेंड आते रहते, उसमें मल्टीप्लाई होते रहते, 4 का 14 हो जाएंगे, 14 का 400 हो जाएंगे. करेक्ट? लाइक 15 चैप्टर फर्स्ट श्लोका. 15 चैप्टर फर्स्ट श्लोका क्या है? ऊर्ध्वमूलमधः शाखम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम्. Now it has become a very big thing. You know, Swamiji gives a very nice example here. You only get married to one person. You get married to only one person. Correct? Either your husband or your wife. You are married to only one person. But with that marriage, how many bondages have come? How many in-laws have come free? देखो, वो मामा का, काका का, चाचा का लड़की का बर्थडे के लिए नहीं जाएगा तो अश्वत्थम प्राहुरव्ययम छंदांसि यस्य पर्णानि. बड़ा वृक्ष, वट वृक्ष है, खींचते खींचते जाएगा. Why? That bondage with my wife or with my husband will force me to satisfy that need. कितना दूर तक जाता है देखो ये बॉन्डेज. थिंक. सही है कि नहीं? वेरी वेरी ट्रू. ओके, सो तरुणस्तावत तरुणी सक्तः. नाउ आई एम हैबिचुअल टू इट. पहला क्या है, घोड़े को एक लगाम डाल के उसको दिशा देना पड़ता है. 50 साल घोड़ा वही रास्ते में चला तो इट डजंट नीड अ मास्टर टू ड्राइव. सुबह वो टाइम आए तो उधर आएगा, उधर से वो भागते रहेगा, मनता है कि नहीं मनता है, वो जाएगा उधर, उधर से रिटर्न इधर ही आएगा, दूसरा किधर जाएगा नहीं. वो है कि नहीं? इट्स गॉट सो यूज टू. 50 साल तुम यही करो. यू मीन टू से 51st ईयर यू विल चेंज? नो. Throughout my life, I am hooked to a bondage. For that, I express the bondage by karma. The object changed from childhood to youth. Now I become old. Now the habit of bondage and clinging is very much in me. Every blood drop is waiting to just get bound. And that is the time everyone will go run away from this person. 1938 story will start. सब लोग भागेंगे. Now this person wants to get bound, and as I told, already competitor has come. करेक्ट. एक सफ़ेद वाला बोलेगा अभी मैं अकेला था, नहीं 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 तुम कॉम्पिटिटर आए तो मैं भी जाऊंगा. All different problems will be there, and that is the time you want to bond, because you feel that bonding with people only can give me security. If my children are there, I feel secure. If my grandchildren are there, I feel, every person of finance, मुनीम जो है ना, पुराना जमाने का मुनीम, he will always focus on the interest more than the principle. मुद्दल से ज़्यादा उसका इंटरेस्ट मिलना बनता है. सेम वे दिस ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट चिल्ड्रन, ओनली ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन. इंटरेस्ट पे उनका आक रहता है. बॉन्डेज है. एंड देन नाउ they have nothing to get bonded because all are running away from them. They'll bond to what? Vriddhastavat चिंता सकता. खाना खाया क्या? Give me a call after coming back. I will be waiting for eating food. Don't think I want to sleep. I don't get sleep so easily. Don't come, open the door, eat slowly and sleep off. You call me, wake me up. I will put food for you. है कि नहीं? वृद्धस्तावत चिंता सकता. And the most bitter part in this is parame brahmani kopi na saktaha. No one wants to get attached to that parabrahman, which is the main purpose of life. Only getting attached to all the vyavahara and then completely deluded. Does it make sense? Isn't it very clear? At least now, please understand that acharyas are not saying that you should not have relationship. You should not have love for each other. You know what is the difference between bonding and love? How do you know which is love and which is bonding?
When there is no expectation.
How do you know that? Here there is no expectation. A grandmother or a grandfather has no expectation from grandchild. Is it love or bondage?
When it is not there, you are sad. That means you are bonded.
Means what? I need it. Without that, I cannot live. Bondage is always a reflexive action. I need a reflection of something coming to me to tell me my bondage is proper. लॉन टेनिस का गेम में यहाँ से मारा तो वहाँ से रिटर्न हुआ, या बैडमिंटन वहाँ से रिटर्न हुआ, दैट इज द टाइम यू नो आप अच्छा खेला कि नहीं. भस्त्रिका में सहज कुंभक बरोबर आया तो ही मालूम पड़ेगा भस्त्रिका हुआ कि नहीं. सहज कुंभक पे ध्यान करो मतलब बॉन्डेज टू भस्त्रिका. आई एम वेयरिंग अ डिफरेंट हैट, but the example will make you understand, right? Exactly like that. Bondage means it has to reflect back. You are a mirror. When I put something, it has to reflect back to me. Then I will tell what I have done is okay or not. But when it is only love, there is nothing expected as a reflection. It is just giving. You are not even bothered what is coming back. And how is that defined as? Satvasmin parama prema rupa. Bhakti is defined that way. Don't expect Ishvara to return your love. Then you are bond with Ishvara. If you are bond with Ishvara, you are gone. Don't get bond with Ishvara. It has to be just pure love of giving, submitting, doing. No expectation from the other side. Okay. So be very, very careful. Bondage is good as per Dharma Shastra to certain extent. Think about it. Dharma Shastra expects certain bondages. The family bondage, the Kula bondage, the Gotra bondage, the social bondage. Dharma Shastra, otherwise Dharma Shastra will have no meaning, right? But that is required for you to use that platform of connection and convert this bondage into only giving. Nothing as a feedback, taking back. Then you can leave dharma and go further to the moksha. Otherwise, you'll be stuck in dharma. Be careful about it because it can be misinterpreted. But compared to non-bondage, a bondage is better. You compare an Indian family versus an Western family where they have living relationship, where they have absolutely no such things called bondage or anything. It is a very, very transactional relationship. Which is better?
Ours.
From our perspective, our values, ours is better. You go and ask them, they will say that you are putting too much of your, you're intruding into my privacy. That's how they will call it as. So what our values are, based on that we will have to evaluate it. But then the next caution is, don't get too much stuck to this family and be bonded, because then that is going to sink that ship. Correct? So you have come into this world, into this family, to these parents because of your karma phala and their karma phala. That's all. More than that, there is nothing. Both have to exhaust your karma phala, right? So both have been brought together by this Ishvara to do certain actions, and then after that move away. Yatha kashtham cha sameyatam mahodado sametya cha vyapeyatam tadvat bhuta samagama. As two logs in that big ocean come together, and having come they separate each other. Like that, we two people come into the third and the fourth seat of the Central Railway train or Western Railway train, and when each station comes, they get down and go. In between, when they are sitting to each other, they can talk. They can ask, how are you? Can you give me some water? I have bought some chana. If you want, you have it. वो सब चलेगा. But you can't say that, no, oh, you are so nice a person. No, you are getting down at Parel. Even I will get down with you at Parel. समझ में आ रहा है? You can't do that, na? Exactly, the family is that way. Exactly, everyone is that way. Don't get stuck. Okay. Balastavat kridasaktah tarunastavat tarunisaktah vriddhastavat chintasaktah parame brahmani kopina saktah. No one is interested. And this is out of a despair. Adi Shankara is saying, everyone are so busy in attached to this anitya vastu maya, full of prakriti, stuck in that maya jal. You know, that is why it is called maya jal. Jal matlab kya? Net. तुमको उसमें से बाहर निकलने नहीं देगा. माया जाल अटका के रख देगा. You try to wriggle. You know, the beauty of a net is what? What is the beauty of a net?
The more you try and get free, the more you get tangled.
Get better.
फंसते जाएगा. It is like a puddle. तुम जितना बाहर निकल का कोशिश करो, उतना अंदर घुसते जाएगा. Correct? So what you have to do? कुछ नहीं करने का वो टाइम पे. Just imagine that I am not in a jal. Over. So same way, not to get stuck into it, but you have to operate in the setup. That means be in the setup without being upset. In short, be in the setup without being upset. And how will you be in the setup without being upset? Only by Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja. He Mudamate Samprapte Sannihite Kale Nahi Rakshati. All these things are not going to help. Okay, so with this, we will stop today's session. We will
Sir,
yeah.
sir, bondage with Ishvara is also not good.
Okay, bondage with Ishvara is also not good, but that will be taught later. So, कैसा है मालूम है? जब बच्चा टॉय का दुकान में आके बोलते हैं मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए वो चाहिए ये चाहिए 10 चीज दिखाता है, every mother has got one special astra in their bag. They will remove a nice Cadbury chocolate and show it to this child. So what this child does, नहीं मुझे ये कुछ नहीं चाहिए, ये चाहिए. Okay, ठीक है, आजा बेटा आजा. You mean to say the child is going to get bonded to the Cadbury chocolate, or the mother has used the Cadbury chocolate to remove the deviation?
To remove the deviation.
Exactly. So our acharyas are like that only. तुमको ईश्वर को दिखा के ये सबसे निकालते हैं, क्योंकि बाद में you will mature out to break the bondage with Ishvara once you know what is Ishvara. Then there is nothing to bond with that Ishvara. Why? That Ishvara is you yourself. Are you bond with yourself or not bond with yourself? Can you tell that?
Right now, though, we are bonding ourselves with our physical body.
No. Yeah, 1 minute. My question is, are you bond with yourself or are you unbound with yourself? Now, don't bring physical body, mental body. These are all something which I didn't ask.
Hard to tell, sir.
Why? Why hard to tell? Have anyone got an answer for this? Are you bound to yourself or are you unbound to yourself?
Sir, how can anybody bond with oneself? Me means me. I cannot bond with myself.
See, that is
I
what
am.
Parul is Ashariri. Like an Ashariri, she will come and speak. And then we'll all imagine, yes, like a Brahman only she speaks. Nirguna, Nirakara, nothing. And she is right. She is right. How can one bond with one? If there is only one, where is the question of bondage? For bondage, two needs to be there, right? So if a question is, are you bound or unbound to yourself? The answer is, there is no right answer for a wrong question. There is no right answer for a wrong question. The question is wrong. With one, where is bondage? Correct? So when there is only one, that Ishvara is that one which is me. Me means not this body. That is why you have to understand what is that me. Then where is a question of being bond with Ishvara? That is going to next stage. The first stage is, okay, there is one Ishvara, like the Cadbury chocolate, looking very attractive, very nice. Andar bahut badhiya hai, bahar se sab ishta devata hai, very nice. I like it. अरे क्या अलंकार किया है, इतना ब्यूटीफुल दिखता है, सामने बैठा तो इतना अच्छा लगता है, मन प्रसन्न हो गया. व्हाट वाइब्रेशंस आर कमिंग. हाँ ठीक है, उतना देर तक भूल गया ना हस्बैंड को, वाइफ को, बच्चे लोग को. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, तो उस सोच के साथ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदम पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. Okay, good. So we will continue learning this in the next class. Okay, if you have any doubts, ask later on. No problem. We will first clarify doubts and then go ahead. Okay. But I don't
Thank you,
think there
sir.
should be any issue. It's a simple one, but it's a very strong, very clearly. That is why the name says Moha Mudgara. Pakad pakad ke every shloka is hitting hard. अच्छा मारता है जहाँ अच्छा लगने वाला है. कितना भी उम्र रहने तो अच्छा लगता है ये. Get a nice whacking बोलते हैं ना. अब अक्कल ठिकाने में आए क्या? शंकरा पूछते हैं. अभी तो अक्कल ठिकाने में आए क्या? नहीं ठिकाने में आए, रुको और दो चार चमाट देता हूँ. Moha Mudgara. And this is so beautifully our acharyas teach us. So beautifully realities of life. ठीक है? चलो.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You.